What's up, everyone? Funny I'm getting here. So, doing our food review tonight. So, it's gonna be on these Little Debbie Glazed donuts. So, yeah. So these are glazed mini donuts. I reviewed I'm pretty sure I reviewed the chocolate ones. Not sure if I reviewed the powdered ones though. I'm pretty sure I've had the powdered ones before. And I'm gonna try the glazed ones for the first time. So, pretty excited for it. Serving size 6 donuts. Serves per container 1. 350 calories. 15 grams is total fat. 8 grams saturated fat. 0 grams trans fat. 20 milligrams cholesterol. 330 milligrams sodium. 80 milligrams potassium. 51 grams total carb. 1 gram of fiber. 31 grams sugar. 4 grams of protein. 8% of calcium. Contains wheat, milk, eggs, soy. May also be present in this product. Tree nuts. And these do expire in 2 days, September 20th this year. Made by McKee Foods, Collegedale, Tennessee. So anyway, got these at the right time since they expire in 2 days. So it comes with 6 donuts. Here's what they look like. They're a pretty good size. And I can definitely smell it. It smells just like pretty much any other glazed donut. So anyway, let's try it out. Yeah, pretty much like I expected. Really good glazed donut. Now I think my favorite place to get donuts, like glazed donuts, is probably Krispy Kreme. It's not really I don't think it's really a local place. They have some of them around my area, and their donuts, they're amazing. Yeah, but these, I still like these. These are gonna get I'll say an 8.5 out of 10. Now, I'm not sure if Hostess has glazed donuts. I know that they do have powdered and chocolate donuts, but I'm not sure about glazed. But these are solid. Definitely would recommend these if you like donuts. So, anyway, thank you much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.